Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Learn the Lingo. The term today that we're going to discuss is listing agent. There's a lot of misunderstanding of real estate agents because you'll have a buyer's agent, a seller's agent, a seller, you've got a buyer, and it gets confusing for people. But the one I want you to focus on today is the listing agent. The listing agent is the person who actually found the deal for sale, talked to the family that owns it, and signs a listing agreement with that family to sell the property for 6% commission. Listing agent, listing agreement, is it starting to make sense? They signed the listing agreement. The listing agent is who you want to be dealing with at all times. You really do. You don't need an agent just patrolling MLS for you. You can go to the MLS site in your city. In Houston, it's har.com, and patrol MLS yourself. You don't need an agent to do that. The listing agent is the person you want to be dealing with for multiple reasons. The first is they know the seller. They know the property. They know why the seller's selling. They know exactly what the seller wants. And if you buy it from them, they get all 6% of the commission. If another agent gets involved, they split the commission. So the listing agent gets 3% and the selling agent gets 3%. If you only deal with listing agents and every time they do a deal with you, they get paid all 6% of the commission, who are they going to call first when they find a steal deal? You. So you want to put yourself in a position where you know personally 20, 24, even 30 listing agents that actually go out, hustle, work, and find deals to sell. They sign that listing agreement. Now, there's another definition we're going to add in. It's exclusive right to sell. If an agent asks you for an exclusive right to sell, don't do it. That means they're not the listing agent, and they're trying to get it so that every deal you do, they get paid a commission on, even if it's not their listing. You see, the listing agent does not need an exclusive right to sell document. They're on the listing agreement. You can't kick them out of the deal. There's no reason for them to ask you to sign that document. So understand, again, the listing agent actually meets the family, views the property, signs the listing agreement, and gets 6% commission if they sell it to you. So they have more information, they can move quicker, and they'll always call you first when they find another steal deal because they got that 6% commission. That's Learn the Lingo. Thanks for watching.